Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Welcome back at German Check. As promised, today's video will deal with groceries again, and this time it will be the fruits. In Germany, we actually kind of distinguish here a little bit between the fruits, which are mostly Früchte, a word which we use when we describe soft, juicy fruits, and those which are more hard and not that of a juicy nature, we call Obst. So this is what it goes for talking about fruits in German. And of course, a quick info before we slide into it. If you see many objects of the same type, you will understand that here is a word for the plural form of this object. Or if it is pointed out to you in some way, like by some arrows, or if it is encircled in some way, you will also understand which one is a singular and which one is a plural form of this type of fruit or object in general. So I guess everything should be disclaimed by now, and you will easily understand what each word means. So enjoy! Der Apfel. Die Äpfel. Die Kirsche. Die Kirschen. Die Banane. Die Bananen. Die Birne. Die Birnen. Die Zitrone. Die Zitronen. Die Orange. Die Orangen. Die Limette. Die Limetten. Die Traube. Die Trauben. Die Melone. Die Melonen. Die Kiwi. Die Kiwis. Die Pflaume. Die Pflaumen. Der Pfirsich. Die Pfirsiche. I hope you had a great time learning those vocabularies, and if you still have trouble to memorize all of them, well, just watch the video again. And most of all, don't forget to leave a like here for the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any lesson that is going to come. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Auf Wiedersehen.